You are about to find out the key levels for Roku. Now, to get straight into it, they do have their earnings coming out after hours today. So we're going to prepare for this. What are the key levels we want to be paying attention to? So as these numbers come out, again, right now we're at about $70.50. They're pricing in a move of $7.90 from current price. So that's what these two arrows mark. This is the expected downside move. This is the expected upside move. Now what we can see is we do have levels very close to or near enough on those levels. So if we push to the downside, this is what we'll cover first at 62.25. That's where the option's pricing in the move to. But this is also our 1 year anchored VWAP. So this is the anchored VWAP from January 1st. So quite a key level you can see, especially on Roku in the past. When we come back to test this, we do keep bouncing off this level. So that's our key support, or our first one. If we are able to break that and drop another 2 points, then at $6.30, we have our 6-month first deviation. And if we get a relatively strong move, so about a 2 deviation move, then we're looking down at 51.80 as that key support. So those are the 3 key support levels I'm paying attention to. On the other hand, if we start to push up off this news at around $76, this is what the options are pricing in the move to. $1 above that, you have the $77 key resistance. Now this is the 6-month first deviation, a strong resistance. And if we break that, I would kind of use this as a range because off earnings, a 2-point move isn't going to be anything too crazy. So 79.50. So that's kind of the upside range I'd be looking at. Now, again, this is what the options are basically pricing in a move to around this area. So if we move more than expected, then we have another resistance, and that would take us to around $85.35. So again, this is obviously released before the earnings have come out. So we don't know whether it's going to come out good or strong. If I had to pick a direction, I would probably be a bit more bearish on it. But again, I don't take an opinion into the earnings. So what we do is we wait for the earnings to release, and then we can trade the actual reaction. So if we sell to the downside, obviously we got our supports. If we end up going to the upside, we have our resistances. So these are the levels I'm paying attention to coming into the Roku earnings. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.